Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video lecture we discuss about meso compound and why meso compounds are optically inactive, but its upper half carbon means chiral carbon and means it has two chiral carbon, but still it is optically inactive. Net optical rotation is 0. This is the topic of discussion in this video lecture, and before starting the video lecture I would like to remind you that if you are new to this channel or do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe it now. Now let's start our discussion. Discussion is about meso compound and why meso compounds are optically inactive. Meso compound case, the compound that have a plane of symmetry, a plane that is dividing the molecule in two equal halves, that are called meso compound. For this compound, look at this compound 1 2 3 4. 4 means 2 bromo 3 chloro, 2 bromo 3 chlorobutane. For this case, this plane, in this plane this one should be bromo. So for this molecule, look at the molecule where the bromine means upper part and lower part are identical. So for this reason, the plane that can divide the molecule into two equal halves, so this is called the plane of symmetry. Plane of symmetry. In this case of mesotartaric acid, look at this plane divides the molecule, lower part and upper part divides the molecule using this plane, and this is called plane of symmetry. So such molecules, such organic molecules where a plane is passed through the upper half and lower middle of the molecule, means that can divide the molecule into lower half and upper half, is called the meso compound. So for the meso compound, a plane of symmetry is very important, and for meso compound there must be a non-superimposable mirror image with its mirror image. It show non-superimposable mirror image relationship, and for meso compound the two carbon, this carbon and this carbon, two carbons are chiral carbon. These carbons are joined with four different groups of atom or atom. Look at this 1 2 3 4, four different groups of atoms are joined with this carbon atom. So this carbon is a chiral carbon. This carbon is a chiral carbon. It has two chiral carbons. In this case of the meso compounds, the carbons that are present, chiral carbons, the chiral carbons, the central carbon is chiral carbon. So the upper part of the molecule is optically active and lower part of the molecule is optically active, okay, but overall has no optical rotation, net rotation 0. Net rotation 0 because the upper part is rotating the plane of polarized light the same magnitude that lower part is rotating, and as a result the same magnitude rotation in opposite direction, the upper part is rotating the same magnitude by the rotation of the lower part. So same magnitude of rotation in opposite direction occur in this case of meso compound, and for this reason the overall rotation is becoming 0, means no net rotation. For this molecule also, it has two chiral carbon, so upper half is rotating the molecule is in opposite to the lower half rotating the molecule. So as a result the molecule in overall has no optical rotation due to the cancellation of the optical rotation, and this cancellation of the optical rotation is called internal compensation. Due to the internal compensation, you can say it internal compensation. Due to the internal compensation, in the case of meso compound, the molecule is optically inactive, but the molecule have optically means chiral carbon, but the molecule have chiral carbon, but molecule cannot show optical rotation. means net rotation is 0 due to the presence of the means internal compensation in the molecule. In the molecule, due to presence of internal compensation, the lower half and upper half rotation, means rotation of the lower part of the molecule and rotation of the upper part of the molecule are opposite and equal in magnitude. Therefore, no net rotation for this type of meso compound. So this is the discussion about meso compound. Meso compound means the compound that have a plane of symmetry, that a plane that divides the molecule into two equal halves, that is called the plane of symmetry. When the molecule have this plane which divides the molecule into two equal halves, and this type of molecules are optically inactive and called meso compound. Here we are giving two important examples of the meso compounds, that is the tartaric acid and the means 2 and 3 dibromobutane. So for these two cases, the molecules are called meso compounds, and meso compounds are optically inactive. So this is the topic of discussions. I think you understand this topic. If you have any problem or any question or any opinion regarding this discussions, then you can write in the comment section below, and I would answer your comment section. And what can I say? Yes, if you want to this type of other videos, means from organic chemistry or inorganic chemistry or physical chemistry, then you can watch this type of videos from the playlist. I made playlist, chapter wise playlist, and as a whole playlist of chemistry, and you can watch from the playlist. It will be useful for you. Means playlist can be a very useful for you, because a number of videos are uploaded in this channel, so you can find the videos that you want to watch from the playlist easily. So that's the discussions. If you find this channel is useful, then you can subscribe this channel.